Okay, problem number 11 and 20 on the exponents review 214. This is a problem they gave us for number 11. First, what you do is everything inside parentheses we raise to the 0 power. And I'm going to use this formula, a raised to the m power, raised to the nth power. The answer will be same base, and you multiply the exponents. So in this case, you're going to have, well, actually, you should know that anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. So in this problem, everything in parentheses becomes 1. So this whole thing, anything to the 0 power will be equal to 1. Then multiply by, now here, everything inside should be raised to the second power. So the base will be the same, and multiply the exponents. Negative 3 times 2 will give you negative 6. And then n, same base, 3 times 2 will give you 6. Okay? Now if you multiply 1 times this, you get the same thing. That'll give you m to the negative 6, n to the 6. And remember, the answer, you have no negative exponents. And we have a negative exponent right here. So that means the following. The m to the negative 6 wants to be in the bottom. So the m to the positive 6. When it traces position, it changes the sign. So it was negative on top. When you make it to the bottom, it's a positive. And the n is positive. That's okay. It stays the same. So the answer will be n to the 6, m to the 6. Okay? Now, problem number 20. First thing you have to do is get rid of the parentheses. Everything inside the parentheses will be raised to the 4th power. So the base will be the same base, and the exponents are multiplying. 4 power times 4 will give you 16. And then the y will have the same base, multiply the exponents, negative 3 times 4 will give you negative 12. Now copy the rest of the problem, negative 2, x to the 3rd, y to the 3rd, multiplied by x to the 3rd, y to the 4th. Okay? Now, multiply the negative 2, there's no other number, so that'll be negative 2. Now the x's, x to the 3rd, multiplied by x to the 3rd, multiplied by x to the 16th. Remember, if you have a to the m, multiplied by a to the n, the answer will have the same base, and the exponents are added, m plus n. Okay? So when I do the x's, the base will be the same. The base will be x. Then you add the exponents. 3 plus 3 plus 16. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 16 will give you 22. So that's x to the 22nd power. Now let's do the y's. This can be combined with this other y, and that with this other y. The base will be the same, and then you add the exponents. 3 plus 4 is 7, and 7 minus 12 will be negative 5. Now, that'll be my answer, but you have to worry about negative exponents, okay? Here's a negative exponent. So the way you do it is it has to trade positions, okay? The negative 2 has no negative exponent, so it stays on top. No need for it to change. X to the 22nd is a positive exponent, so it stays the same place. Now the y has a negative exponent, it has trade position. Now it's on top, send it to the bottom. When you send it to the bottom, it'll be positive. And that'll be the answer, okay? Hopefully this helps you with those problems. Any other question, yes, email me and I'll see what I can do, okay?